Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I brushed my teeth with baking soda and toothpaste, and the result was okay. It wasn't good because it's one time only that I did it, but it was came out pretty nice. I felt better than using the toothpaste only, and it's pretty clean. Hope you like this video guys. Check out my other videos, I will link it down in the description, and also if you're new here, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna do more tutorials, for example using baking soda and lemon on my face for 5 days. So I hope you subscribe and like this video so that way I can do more of these. Thank you guys, peace out. Guys, so here is the end result. I drank some coffee like 5 minutes ago, but this is the result that I got from the baking soda and the toothpaste only. Alright guys, so what do you think about this? Did it work? It didn't work? Let me know in the comments down guys. Peace out, thanks for watching.